Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya. I'm from class 12A, number 11. Now, I want to read a biography about Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born in 1643 and died in 1727. He was a physicist, astronomer, mathematician, and a philosopher. He is considered as one of the greatest figures in the history of science. He was born the year Galileo died. He was greatly influenced by Galileo's work. As a student at Cambridge University in 1691, he became interested in physics, mathematics, optics, and astronomy. A plague caused the university to shut down, so he spent 2 years at his home where he began to think about gravity and spent time wondering on mathematics and optics. After returning to Cambridge, he developed ideas on the reflecting telescope and from the mid-1690s conducted many experiments on the composition of light. He discovered that white light is made up of the same system of color that are in the rainbow and established the behavior of light. He published his findings in a book called Optics. Newton also made contributions in mathematics, especially in problems related to analytical geometry. He discovered general methods of resolving problems of curvature as stated in his method of fluxion and inverse method of fluxion. Newton used the term fluxion, the Latin meaning of flow, because he thought of a quantity flowing from one magnitude to another. Newton is known for his theory on gravitation. According to a popular story, Newton discovered gravity when he saw an apple falling from a tree. It was this incident that made Newton realize that it was a similar force that governed the motion of the moon around the earth. He calculated the force needed to hold the moon in its orbit, comparing this force with the force pulling an object to the ground. He wrote the Principia in the three